Betty Mac on the track.
You already know, Smoke Sun is the motto. Drink yak out the bottle. I roll up, I'm on auto, and I'm hiding the star though. Keep me some keys to a car though. My shit's all me, no car note. I roll my weed out of Garho. Fuck with a real GC far more. Hey, I roll up my trees, I roll up with G's. If you don't keep it G, is no rolling with me. And I'm rocking and rolling in peace, but I'm holding my peace in case you gon' roll up on me. Man, I got hoes up on me, and I got more on my D. Stand on all toes like a G, fly as a bee. Burning my weed till I burn holes in my seat, boy. You better buck with the fuck shit, cause a nigga tryna get up them bucks, bitch. MC with the hammer can't touch this, and I spit that fire like a musket. These old ass rappers, they dusty. Probably get in the studio rusty. Heard every excuse, nigga, trust me. And you could jump in this bitch and get dusted. Please, nigga, ain't too many like me, nigga. We could jump in the booth, just me and you, and I'ma smash your ass and you can leave, nigga. And I put that shit on my C's, nigga. That you best believe, nigga. You think you can fuck with me, nigga? Better stack on your 16, nigga. Broke nigga can't even entertain a thought. I wreck your brain, retrain your thought. If she ain't paying for this dick, then ain't no way that I can be bought. I don't do this shit for no Grammys, nah, I do this shit for my family, y'all. After lettuce like a salad, nigga, but I'm chasing bread like a sandwich, dog. Don't want the fame, you can have it all, just as long as I can have my dogs. Fuck with me, you gon' catch it cut, and I'ma burn your ass like alcohol. Ball on them like basketball, ball hard, don't even pass the ball. I'm headed straight and I can't fake, ain't no break, it's just gas, I'm gone. Couple bad bitches just to tag along, hoe just bad off class alone, and a fat ass just to add alone. No basic bitches, no average shown, super high like I have a drone. My nigga got bass like baritone. All these rappers, they trash writers, I might as well just sell them songs. Pussy niggas, you can sell them thongs. To avoid time, they'll tell them moms. Never telling, I never run, and I swear to God, I never sell a gun. And that's real though, fuck this game like a dildo. No homo, but still though, I was built for this shit like steel toe. I talk that shit like yeah ho, you talk that real, we don't see it though. Rapid fire hit your vehicle, then I'm out of space like a UFO. In my space we blow big smoke, we ain't sex if she ain't though. Got old X's, got old O's, that's tic-tac-toe, nigga, 3 in a row, got it.